Hello? Yeah, I'm leaving my apartment right now, I swear. I swear. I just need to put on my shoes and I'll be out the door. Uh-huh. Okay, I'll see you soon, bye. What the fuck? Having trouble tying your shoes?
Yes. I know, it's the worst.
I fucking hate tying my shoes. It's just like, why can't they tie themselves? Or like, there has to be a better way to tie it because my shoelaces always come undone. And then I run the risk of eating shit and falling on my face, and it just sucks because I want to wear these cute shoes, but these laces, goddammit.
Well, I do know the best way to tie your shoes. Would you like me to show you?
Okay.
Okay.
You ready? Okay. So first, you're gonna go and tie it under, just like a regular tie. Then, we're gonna take 2 bunny ears. Yes, I said bunny ears. No, we're not in preschool, but this is the best way to tie your shoes. So proceed with the bunny ears, crisscross them, pull some ears through, take those same ears and loop it around again, and then just pull tight. What you have here is a double knot. But the great thing about this is no struggle to undo. Yay! This way, you can tie your shoe, double knot it, it won't come undone. It's the easiest way to tie your shoes, and you win. Congratulations. If I could take you open paradise up above, if you will tell me I'd the only
So pull through, double bunny ears, swoop once, swoop twice, and pull through.
Yay, you did it! See, didn't I tell you that was the best way and the greatest way to tie your shoes? Yeah, it really is. I told you so.
Well, are you gonna tie the other shoe again for me?
No, I'm not gonna do this shoe for you. You clearly know how to tie your shoe now. You can do it yourself.
Fine.
Okay. Well, anyways, congratulations. You just learned the best way to tie your shoes. I know. You're welcome. Well, if you enjoyed it, and if you learned something in this episode of Let Me Help Ya, don't forget to like. Feel free to share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello,